In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Remove Widget and then confirm your choice by hitting Remove in the second pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display, like that, and clicking on widgets between icons and layout at the bottom. Now scroll down until you see App, called Google. It's a long way down. And finally, when you see this Google app, you need to hold the search bar, drag it to the proper place on your screen and let go. Then hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!